Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your career, business, money reading for the month of November. So in this reading you get to know what opportunities present to you in November in your job, money or business situation, and what challenges you could face so that you are ready to fight it out. So this is a general reading, not all messages might resonate, Aries. So keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your sun, moon and Venus rising, so you could check those videos as well. So let's start, Aries. What's there for in career, business, money in November? Aries, career, business, money in November. Aries, career, business, money in November. Energies for Aries. Last shuffle, Aries. Aries, career, business, money in November. Okay, so King of Pentacle, yeah, wow. Five of Wands, Nine of Pentacle. You have Pentacle, King of Wands, fine. And then you have Two of Wands. So these are the clarification cards now that I'm going to take. Ace of Pentacle, Chariot, Justice, the Devil and Ten of Swords. So Aries, let's start off. It looks to be a promising month for you. Yeah, I can see a really positive month. So let's begin, Aries. King of Pentacle. So you will be using all the opportunities. You will be ready to grab any opportunity that presents with itself regarding job, money or business situation that will help your finances, that will bring financial stability, that will make your finances grow. It seems that you are getting something here. It comes with the Ace of Pentacle. There is an opportunity presenting to you. That is like, it could be resources, it could be monetary benefit, it could be gains, so this is an opportunity that is presenting to you. The first card itself looks very positive, Aries. So this is it, what something is presenting to you. Use this opportunity well. It's a sudden gain or money that you have invested early, giving you handsome returns, and you reinvesting it again for using it for your business, job, for growth, for success. So this is what with this King of Pentacle. So King of Pentacle utilizes all opportunities and is very you can say very focused on keeping his finances in order. So you will be like that. So King of Pentacle, you're just focused on building money and growth, financial abundance basically. The second card is like Five of Wands. So it talks about some of you appearing for an interview or some training where you need to show your skills. This is a card of dramatized drama. It's a card of drama in the sense you need to just show your skills and so some of you, if you are appearing, or you could make a presentation, or you could have to defend your position at your place of work. So there is a little, it is a positive card in that sense, but this card also has something like maybe there could be a little conflict, a little argument, a little war of words in your workplace with the people around you. So they could be your subordinates, they could be your boss. Usually it happens when there is when your leader, when leadership is absent, like somebody who cannot take a call and manage the team well. So this causes this drama, like everybody talking it out but no solution coming out. So somebody has to take a stand and resolve it. So it talks about a little bit of stress and drama. That is what I see here, Aries. You have the Chariot here. So this for this interview and all, you might need to travel or presentation, or presentation for meetings, for collaborations, for deals. It's a travel, it's a card of success too, this Chariot moving forward. So irrespective of you will be moving, you will be shifting. That is what I get here. Yeah, and you are focused right. Your focus is right. You have, your pathway is right towards the goals that you want to achieve in short and long term. So it is a card of success. Success coming to you. With this, you have Nine of Pentacles. So you are making investment. It could be joint finances. It could be loans. It could be funds. This is a card of monetary gains and also new job for some people who are looking for a new job. They could find one. So this is a beautiful card again, Nine of Pentacles, and you are working hard towards that. So various investments, various opportunities you are utilizing for growth of your money, basically finances. Comes the Justice card here. Justice card is like you need to abide by the law. Secondly, you will have to deal with lot of legal papers. So many, not all of you, but I just say that this is a guidance card, like abiding by the law and not doing anything which is against the law. And secondly, if you have a court case or something in your if you are fighting a court case, so it's coming in your favor. If you're right and you're fair, and things will come into your favor this month. If the settlement could be in your favor. If you are going through a divorce or something, so it's coming in your favor. That's what it tells you. Also, it is a card of guidance, that be accountable for your action. This is a card of karma. So as you sow, you reap. So like everybody has to be accountable for their karma. So we do good, not going by the law. That is like that. It's like that. With this card, you will also, some of you will be dealing with lot of lease papers, contracts, legal papers, travel documents. Maybe also you might be traveling, immigration, relocation. So these are the things. You might need to just meet up with an advocate or some attorney, or just appear in a court for some registration. For property related also, it's below, this Nine of Pentacles, property related, inheritance related, something you could be going and visiting these courts. So this is for some of you here. King of Wands is like you will be taking some risk in your business. This is what I feel here. You will be taking risk. You will be very focused. You will be very passionate. You will be a visionary. You can see how to bring your ideas into fruition, and also like working towards that hard focus money, taking some risk. You will be taking some risk, because here I get this Devil card. So just beware, go slow with things. This is what, don't make hasty decisions. You could don't rush into things. Although the King of Wands doesn't need any advice, like, because they take risk, but you need to take calculated risk. There could be some greedy, some toxic person who could make some who could be responsible for some kind of losses or toxicity, or plans might not work according to you. So this is what I get here. Yeah, so take risk, calculated risk. That is what I feel here. Do not rush. Do not rush into any hasty decision. That is what I get here. Then you have this Two of Wands. So some of you want to expand your business. You are looking for work. Maybe that's what I said. You might be moving, relocating. So you are trying to assess situations. It is a card of travel. That is what I feel here. So maybe you will be traveling internationally, or you will maybe planning to travel next month or in the month of November for work related, for business, which will get you success. So you will be leaving your comfort zone. Something you are going to leave your comfort zone, but that is going to bring you success. Leaving your comfort zone for work, for business, which will lead to growth. Yeah, this is here I see, Aries, that some of you will be going through a transformation. Like if you were thinking a certain way, the way you work, you will bring a change in the way you were working, in your business situation, in your job, in your the way you think. Like this is Ten of Swords. Maybe in certain ways, this is for some of you again, the way you have been working hasn't got you, you know, the gains or the results that you wanted. So there were losses, you did not get results what you were expecting. So maybe, you know, and that has caused you a lot of hurt, lot of pain, lot of, you know, hurt, pain, like, you know, you will be leaving this now. Your thoughts will change. Swords is like about mind, it's about thought. So maybe there is a change, you will be leaving something. It could also be in the material world. So some of you could leave a business which is no more working for you. Some of you might just give up a job in which you fell stuck, and you will be moving towards a new beginning after that. This is ending of a cycle and going with the for a, you know, new cycle. So you have to understand that you are leaving this for good, for betterment. You just need to realize that this is the end. 10 is the ending card, end of your pains, end of your miseries. You know, if you were looking for a job and you were struggling to get one, so this is your end, this is the end of something here. Something is ending and a new cycle will begin for you. So this is what I get, Aries, here. Overall, you know, happiness is there, monetary gains, that's what I said, there is accomplishments, yeah, passion for work, you know, capital formation, all that is there. Heightened self-worth. So you will be feeling very confident. You know, this person, he's independent, he or she is independent, high self-worth, high in confidence. You are gonna feel energetic, you are gonna feel see, this is also King of Wands, very much confident, you know, very, even if risk taker, he or she knows what they're going to do. So it talks about that your confidence is gonna be high. It's gonna be a hectic period, but you will manage well. You will meet your short-term targets as well as the long-term target, and you will see your finances stable much than in your, you know, previous months or in the year you had going. You will be in a much better position here. So November looks to be good. Just also beware of some toxic person who could be around you. Just beware of this energy. Or if you are having pessimistic thoughts, you know, this is also, you know, feeling stuck, feeling, you know, so I feel this is coming like if you were feeling stuck, you were feeling bonded into some kind of job, some kind of business or some situation, you are ending that situation here. It's you are being bold, you are being assertive, and you are ending this situation here. So this is what I get for you, Aries, here. I hope this helps. We can go in depth in the weekly readings. So let's pull out an angel guidance card. What angels have for you, Aries? Potential. So this is a card of potential. Think big for your future. This is a very beautiful message for you. So yes, you have a lot of potential here, and you are the King of Pentacles. You will be using all the opportunities. So this is it, Aries. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for, you know, viewing, and stay blessed.